Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today what I wanted to do is show you how you can create these cute email signatures that you can attach to your emails just to make them look a little bit nicer. So if you head over to canva.com, if you're an educator, you can get all access to Canva for free. There's a lot of useful things within Canva if you have not checked it out. But for today, we are doing email signatures. So in the search bar, you're going to type in email signatures, and there's going to be a bunch of templates that you can use, readjust to your liking, and so forth. So for purposes of the video, we are going to go ahead and create a brand new one. So here again, I do have some templates I could use, but I'm going to create myself my own uh, email signature. Um, I do like elements and I am a math teacher, so I am going to stick with something that is dealing with math. So I'm going to search math and a lot of stuff are going to come out. Graphics, I have some graphics I can use. Videos, we are not going to be using. We have photos and so forth. So in my photos, I'm going to skim what it is I like or may want to use. Let's say maybe this one here, I like math. And I am going to set this as my background. Okay, so there's my background. Now, this background is pretty dark, so I am going to go ahead and click my transparency here, and I am going to make it a little bit faded. That way I can go ahead and add my name and my title and so forth. So 20 looks pretty decent as of right now. If you like, you can always add borders to your email signature. For this one here, I'm just going to leave it as that, and then I'll decide if I want to add anything else. So now what I want to do is I want to add a text. So if you go to text, you can find different formats, I guess, that you can use. Normally, I add my own text. So I'm going to add a text bar. It's going to open it up. And I am going to pick a font that I like. So for my name, I can do different types of fonts. I am going to pick one of my favorites as of right now. I like this apricot. I am going to write my name. Now the font is pretty small, so I could go ahead and enlarge it as big as I like. Now, since it's my email signature, I want my name to pop and be seen on there. All right, so this looks pretty good. Let's put it somewhere in this corner. If you do not want black, you can go ahead and change your colors. So I'm going to stick with black. What I am going to add to this is an effect. So like borders around my name. I'm going to change that. Let's change the color for this part here. Maybe in pink. Again, colors I like. You can pick any color you prefer. So this looks good. I'm going to go ahead and add another text bar, text box. And here I'm just going to make this one plain. Let's go this one here. And I'm going to add my title, math teacher. I can add my school. I can go ahead and circle. Let me move it. I'm going to add it to this corner. Again, if I don't like that size, let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's expand here. I am not a pro at Canva. I've slowly adjusted. I used to like using PowerPoint, but I'm liking what Canva can do. So kind of a new Canva person. Okay, so let's make this bold. Um, Maybe again an effect. This time white outside. Let's see how that looks. Maybe make it a little thicker, not so thick, something like that. If you like, you can play around with what you have here. You want it curved, maybe you want it curved, add a symbol. Let's do that actually. Let's go into a math symbol again, element. I click math. Let's go all graphics. Maybe I want to add something like this. Somewhere in the middle here. And you can go ahead and add your school's logo if that's what you like. So again, for purposes of the video, I'm just making it nice and simple, and you get to play around and decide what you would like to do with your email signature. Now that I have whatever I like, I am going to go ahead and download. So you're going to go up here to share and you're going to press download. Here, what I have noticed is that when I keep it in terms of one, it's a little bit too big, so I don't like that. The scaling I liked that I preferred was 0.625. Again, you can play around with what you like for that. And I am going to go ahead and download that. It's going to download onto my computer. And from there, now I can go back to my email and you're going to go to settings. Let me close this off. Settings, see all settings. You click on that. And if you scroll down, I am in general at the top. There's a lot of things you can do. What I want to do is add a signature here. I do have my signature that I made prior to this video, and I am going to input a different signature. So let's say signature 2. Create, and here you can upload a image. So I'm going to go to image. I am going to get it from my computer. It gets added on there. Here's where you'll see that a 1 is very large, but this scaling to me looks nice, so I tend to just keep it. Just make sure that you include this. So signature defaults for new email signatures. What signature do you want? I want that new one that I just put in, signature 2. If you want your signature to be used over and over as you reply, you can go ahead and add that. You can change your signature if you have multiples, or you can have it as no signature. I'm going to leave it as no signature. That way my signatures in my email signature doesn't get used over and over. All right, make sure you scroll all the way down and you hit save. Now, if I go to compose, I have my new signature I can email, and it just looks very cute. So I hope you liked this mini tutorial on how you can make your emails just look a little more nicer. Keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in our next video.